Good day, New York, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing, well, actually it's kind of okay. So basically last year I did Houston Street, guys, but as you can see physically it ends there because that's Houston has a two-way street going east and west and vice versa. Now down here by 6th Avenue or Avenue of the Americas, it splits in two. So if you notice the one going east, which is that way, goes that way. The one going west comes this way. The one on the east side splits into the right, to the left, sorry, and this one going to the west splits to the right this way. Now, so basically, at the time when I was starting, I didn't exactly knew, how to do my video. So we're gonna call this one, for now, extended Houston Street. So basically, Houston Street still keeps going down that way, but only as a one-way street. The one here going to the east, right here by 6th Avenue, has two-way street, east and west, either way. But in here, coming to the west, it's only going to the west, one street, one-way street. So we're gonna start with Bedford Street right now. We start the journey in a few minutes. So this is Avenue of the Americas, 6th Avenue, Bedford Street. This is where it begins. Let me show you right now. Let me show you where I am before we leave. So this is 6th Avenue heading north, back there, and that is 6th Avenue heading south. And this is West Houston, which splits into two of them, and here we have two of them. We're split into two, left and right. The one on the left back there starts into one single street lane, and this one going to Bedford starts to the right as a one-way also. So West Houston from two-way street to one-way street, and we'll begin the journey now. Bedford Street, heading south bound. No, excuse me, sir. Sorry. Westbound, guys. Westbound. Now, as you can see, the street here is going to the right now in a circular pattern. Now this street is about 8 blocks long, guys, so it's not long. I'm doing maybe 25 to half an hour. So this will stop at Christopher, and then we'll be heading east back again. Again, the streets down here on this side of Manhattan are really chopped up, really good. Again, you're gonna have some from 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. I don't have a right number of the maximum streets, but it's usually averages from 5 to 20 streets, guys. Yeah, that's my best as far as I have seen in my videos. Okay, coming up at Bedford Street, and this is Downing Street. Thank you. This is Downing Street, and we keep going westbound. Again, so this part of Bedford is part of Houston towards the east, guys. Check out these beautiful flowers, guys. Nice. Coming up at Bedford Carmine Street, heading westbound. So again, guys, Bedford Street departs from Houston from the east to west. It turns into Bedford, and the west. So coming from east to west, Houston, this turns into Bedford, and going from west to east on the other side, it stays at Houston. Again, it just divides into two. And you can see we're coming through a lot of streets in here, guys. A lot of streets. Coming up at Bedford Street, Leroy Street. So as you can see, all this here, there's a small plaza in the middle right there. And I think right now Canada is playing right now. I don't know which other country, but Canada's playing right now. I think it's South Africa. Coming up at Bedford Street, and this is we have 7th Avenue South. As you can see up ahead, guys, we gotta go through the sidewalk as usual. It's a small, very narrow sidewalk, but still a sidewalk. And again, guys, this is Bedford, 7th Avenue South, and this is you see, this is a very small square, guys. Now we go through here, through a small sidewalk, and we come into a coming up at Bedford Morton Street, heading westbound. Temperature today is about 82 degrees. The humidity is a little bit high, but you know. So I think it's regular temperature 82 and 81 humidity. So it is a little bit, you know, uncomfortable for some people. Not for me though. Not for me. So again, peak time in total about 30 minutes, if I'm not mistaken. Coming up at Bedford Street, Commerce Street. You know, I can imagine this part of New York back in the 1800s, or even, you know, early 1900s, guys. Oh man, this would have been really, really different what you see right now with all the modern buildings and stuff like that. Coming up at Bedford Street, Barrow Street, heading westbound. Today's a big day because Canada is playing against South Africa. That's one of my teams. Or the triple threat: Mexico, US, and Canada. Those are my main teams from here, from the northern atmosphere, or hemisphere, should I say. So far, I do not know who's winning, but hopefully it will be Canada. Hopefully it will be Canada, man. That's one of my main teams. So far, Mexico has gone to the next round. USA has gone to the next round. Hopefully, Canada will do good today, guys. This is coming up at coming up at Bedford Avenue, Grove Street. This is where CJ lives. Excuse me. This is where CJ lives, guys. See? Grove Street. You'll see. Let's say about 20 minutes. 20-25 minutes. As you can see in the background, that's Christopher Street. This is the end of Bedford Street. Now, if this was, instead of Bedford, if this was Bedrock, then the Flintstones would live here. But this is not, this is not Bedrock. This is Bedford. So now, right now, guys, we're almost 10 minutes. So okay, that's cool. That's about 20 minutes. We're good to go. We're good to go. We gotta go across the street and then do a 180 back east. Oh, sorry. And this is the Lucille Lortel, not hotel, Lortel. Now we go across and you see, this is where Bedford Street and Christopher Street meet, and this is where Bedford ends or dies. Now we gotta do a 180 back east. So we're gonna, let me go through here, and we can start on the other street, on the extended Houston Street that I never did from last year ago. And now we go back and coming up at Bedford Street, Christopher Street, heading east bound. Now, as you can see, most of the sidewalks in here are really narrow, man. Again, this is back in those days, man, those times. Again, and I, you just ponder like how would have time would have looked and felt like, But again, this goes through generations, so I mean, you can only see it in pictures or just imagine. But yeah. Yeah, peak time about 20 minutes. 20 minutes peak time in total. Coming up at Bedford Street Grocery. Again, this is where CJ lives. See, it says grocery. Oh, this is also known as Larry Selman Way. And this side of Manhattan, south side, west side. So far, I haven't seen any buildings, but it's just this like there's a word for this, like townhouses. So these are mostly townhouses, guys. From that era. Now, let me see. So we keep going. Let me see. Coming up at Bedford Street, Barrow Street, heading eastbound. Once we get to the ground zero point, I'll show you how it divides into two. One changes, but the other one stays the same with the same name. So like I said, from the east all the way to 6th Avenue is a two-way street for Houston. But then coming here towards the west, coming to the, if you're coming from the east to the west, and the right side, it becomes Bedford. And you're coming from the east to the west, the other one, the left one becomes Houston. It stays the same. Coming up at Bedford Street, Commerce Street, heading eastbound. Like I said, these streets will rattle your head, man. Trust me, I have been studying the Google map, and it's some streets I'll be like, okay, but then when you get there, you see some changes. You're like, okay, this wasn't here. So maybe like about 7 or 8 times already has passed with me that it does change. Let me show you a couple of check it out, beautiful couple of plants here. Now we go on. And again, I'm gonna show you how it divides from the midpoint. Coming up at Bedford Morton Street, heading eastbound. You see how these streets crisscross each other? I'm gonna show you right now. See, once I get to the 7th Avenue, you're gonna see like a 7th cross or something like that. They crisscross each other, man. So these streets are not, they're so, a little bit, head scratching. But that's the way New York is. My New York. Coming up at Bedford Street, 7th Avenue South. And we now cross the street. By the way, guys, I already finished all the main avenues of New York City, from 1st Avenue to 12th Avenue, but it's just a matter of time before, I upload them up, guys. Because like I said, it takes a while to record stuff like this, guys. And again, I only record during spring, summer, and a couple of days in autumn. Once winter comes in, man, I'm out. And this is Schooley Square. Brook School, okay, I don't know what that is. Anyways, we keep going, guys. And now you see, this is coming up at Bedford Street, Leroy Street, heading eastbound. And like I said, it's probably gonna be about less than 20 minutes.
Basically, I was on the
And so far, guys, I haven't seen any building that makes me go, ooh, wow, so yeah. You know, it's just like a saying that that my mom says. Not everything that you see is, not everything they see is gold or something like that. It's both in Spanish and English.
Oh, you know what's right here?
Coming up at Bedford Street, Carmine Street, heading eastbound. So like I said, once we go into ground zero, I'll show you how this divides. One stays the same and the other one changes. So far, I don't see nothing. See, these are the wine caps. Ooh, hello. The figure of a woman, sweet. The way God meant it to be. So, moving on. You see the decoration of fake flowers, but you know, it gives it a, you know, a little bit of touch. Coming up at Bedford Street, Downing Street, heading eastbound. Downing Street, Bedford Street. Ooh, and we got a squash rat kebab. Anyways, moving on. Conehead. It's a conehead. Another conehead. So, okay guys, so see up there, we're coming up to the end of the video for Bedford Street, and then after we get there, I'm gonna show you in the middle, dead center, ground zero, Point Break, where Houston divides into two. Which divides Houston into two parts, coming from the east to the west. Starting here, party went out at 6th Avenue, Avenue of the Americas. Now, coming up at Bedford Street, Avenue of the Americas, 6th Avenue. But before we leave the video, guys, this is what I show you, ground zero. So basically, you're seeing right now. Right now, I'm gonna show you. See? So right now, that is Houston from 6th Avenue going east. You got two ways, from east to west, and then you got the side from west to east. But here, coming up at 6th Avenue, noisemaker. But you see from here, from 6th Avenue, this side, from east to west, goes to the right. That's Bedford. But the one coming from the east down here goes to the left and still keeps the name Houston. So this one retains the same name, guys. So thanks for what see, Bedford, West Houston Street. Okay guys, thanks for accompanying me on this journey, and as always, I will see you some more time. Bye.